So sometime last year I started building my crypto portfolio. It started from a 5,000 Rand and it went to a 20,000 Rand, and then recently, since cryptos are dropping, it is now sitting at around 12,000. So in today's video, I'm going to go through my portfolio and tell you how I am making my money to work for me. So instead of sitting there, I prefer to use my cryptos so that I can generate more money. So I'll be staking as well, I'll be saving, and then I'll also be buying some NFTs and also listing so that my money keeps on working for me. So without wasting time, let's go to today's video. First thing first, you go to your Binance, and if you do not have an account, you can go to my video description. You will see a link that will take you to Binance. And then now that I'm in my account, I'm actually shocked because this money is usually 12,000 and now it's 13,000. So it means one of the crypto is actually doing well. Let's just go through that before I even go further. So now let's look at these cryptos because I have a few. And my mission is to get to at least 50,000 before the end of this year. And so I'll just keep buying and buying. So let's see, my BTC, it's still 3,000, Ethereum 2007, and then Shiba Inu 2004, which it hasn't grown. BNB 1.9, Atom 1.3, Solana 643. Okay, I think I want to go and buy NFTs with this money because I can't really transfer it to one account. So when I do transfer, it doesn't allow me because it is a little, so that's why I can't transfer this money into another crypto. So it's just gonna sit there. So if I go max and then maybe say transfer to BTC, when I preview, it say minimum amount is 20. And then let's just go back and then see if we can buy NFTs. And then okay, I'll just go to NFT. I'll open this in a new tab so that it doesn't disturb the current view. So my mission now is to buy NFTs using this 127 and this 275. And then let's just go and see. Well, maybe I should just go to filters so that it can show me something on my price range. So when you go to filters, yes, you can go to filters here. You specify price. So I want something with BUSD, 10 BUSD. And then it will list something that I can afford. Okay, I like this one. Yeah, but let's check how much I have. So I have in my BUSD, I have 127. So let's just go. This one, it's 131. I cannot buy this one. This one is 132. The ones that I like are actually above what I have. So, oh, this one is 117. Okay, let's buy this one, guys. Let's buy this one. Okay, let's see the price. Okay, so the price is 117. And then just to show you that this one, so this person minted this and then someone purchased it for 73 Rand, and this was the 9th, and then on the 8th someone purchased it at around 146. So now it is 117. So I'm just gonna buy and then confirm. So I already bought this one. So if you go to my collection now, you'll see that I have 2 NFTs that are there. So I can also list these NFTs. So say for example, I want to list this one. I can list it for, let's just list it so that you can see. I can set the price. Okay, so I have to go to Google and convert BUSD to 159. So let's just say BUSD to ZAR. So for 144 is 10 BUSD. So let's see more. Yeah, 10 BUSD, which is equivalent to 144. So now remember, I bought this at 117 and now I'm listing it at 144. So now I can list immediately. So 0417, it can expire there, and I can change that. And then let's just list this. So submitted. So I'm listing Old Monkey for 10, and then the price is 146, and then I confirm. Now if you look at my portfolio now, it's sitting at 13,274, and it started with just 5,000 where I bought cryptos, and then I just kept buying, and then up to the value of 5,000, and now it's growing. And now when you look at the today P&L is the current asset total in spot account, and then it is minus 34, so meaning it has gone down. And then let's just look at my portfolio. You'd see I have Bitcoin only 3,000 value, Ethereum 2,000, Shiba 2,466. So I actually told my husband to let me know when this price actually goes to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. But then I have over 6 million of Shiba Inu coins, and then BNB I have 1,951. But then when you look at BNB now, you would see that the price for one BNB is actually let's go to CoinGecko. The price for one BNB is actually 6,190. So my advice when it comes to BNB, just keep buying until you accumulate one BNB, and then just try to have at least one full coin. So I know with Bitcoin we are late, we cannot get up to 1 million or somewhere there, but then just buy whatever you can buy, because Bitcoin is going to be big one day. It is big already, and it has dropped to 604,000. Remember at some point it was 1 million. So imagine if you bought at some point and then now you would say you made 400,000 profit. So you see, let's just keep buying that. And then these are stable coins, so we're not gonna talk about them. Let's go back to my spot wallet. And then now let's look at my other coins. I have ASX. So initially when I bought this one, I think it was 50 something rand. That's what I had at that point. But now it is sitting at 84. I believe in ASX, so it is one of those metaverse coins. And this is what I have, guys. And you can also come from here and click in, and then you can choose flexible, locked. So I can just click locked because it's not like I'm using this crypto. So I can choose 120 days. 90 days is 15%. 120 days, that's a lot, but then if I stake I get 30%, so I'd rather do that. So let's just stake that, and then I stake everything. I agree, I want to earn the most, so it is successful. And then let's go back. So I staked my Atom. Okay, now when you go to Atom, you see that it is not there anymore, because now I have locked it so that I can earn money. So let's look at Solana as well. And then Solana, I can earn as well. Dual investment, auto investment, locked staking, flexible staking. So I want locked because it's not like I'll be busy doing anything with this. And then let's just see, for 90 days I get 13%, for 60 days I get 10, and then for 30 days I get 9%. So let's just do 90 and then stake. I want the maximum, and then confirm. So we want our money to start working. And then let me go back. BNB, let's end locked as well. Okay, me locking for 120 days is 12%, and then 8% for 90 days. BNB, I sometimes use it, so maybe I shouldn't do a locked saving. So I would do a flexible one, so that whenever I want money, I can just remove it. Okay, so there isn't any flexible one for this one, so I'm not gonna stake. Bitcoin, yes, I am staking my Bitcoin as well, and then we want to stake it under saving. Usually doesn't give much, so I do not like it, but then yeah, I think we've staked enough for today. So let's see, when it comes to flexible, if I stake everything on tier 1, it's 5%, on tier 2 is this, and then 3, and then it's not much, so it's not worth it to stake. Okay guys, these are my cryptos. So as you can see, because I've staked now, my portfolio is left with 8,000, so meaning I've staked 3,000 to 4,000 rand, and then now I can just we'll continue staking some other time, and also do some other launch pads. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something when it comes to staking and taking care of your portfolio. Thank you so much for watching.